piercing या punching is the similar to blanking except that the metal piece cut out in the piercing are scrap. तो बेसिक डिफरेंस है यहाँ पर कि piercing और punching is the similar to a blanking except that metal pieces cut out piercing are scrap and the interest in piercing is to produce a hole of desired shape in the workpiece. यहाँ पे punch ये डायग्राम देख सकते हैं, this one is a punch और यहाँ पर shear die, punch shear length and die. So then of course the blank removed during piercing may be used for some other purpose later. The size of the punch used in piercing is equal to the required size of the hole, while the die opening is made larger by twice the desired clearance between the punch and die. And further, the diameter of the hole to be punched must be at least twice the sheet thickness, otherwise punch breakage will be excessive. And there further, two or more punches may be used together with a single die for making suitable holes. The length of such punch should be slightly varied to reduce the total force required for punching. So this is the diagram for blanking. This is the diagram for piercing. And there have a punch, shear, die, punch, shear length, and there have a die. In this piercing, punching is a similar blanking except that the metal piece cut out into the piercing are scrap and the interest in the piercing is to produce a whole desired shape in the workpiece. तो इतना आपको ध्यान रखना है कि piercing या punching जो है similar to blanking except metal pieces जो है वो cut out in the piercing are scrap or the interest in the piercing to produce whole of desired shape in the workpiece. Then there are punches the dies used in blanking are often piercing. The punches or dies used in blanking and piercing are often provided with shear angle to reduce the force required for shearing, and double action shears are preferred to maintain symmetry and prevent setting up of lateral forces. Since a shear on the punch is likely to be spoiled, the surface of the blank produces the shear normally provided on the die of a blanking operation and on the punch for a piercing operation. This is the comparison between the blanking and piercing, important for that is your basic items is purpose, scrap, size, punch size, die size and shear angle to be provided. First purpose, according to purpose, blanking में cutting out intermediate shape called blank which are to be further processed, जबकि piercing में to cut out unwanted portion from a sheet. In blanking, cutting out intermediate shape called blank and cutting out intermediate shapes called blanks which are to be further processed and to cut out the unwanted portion from a sheet. In their scrap perspective, the sheet remaining after the blank is cut out and punching the cutout slug. Size of the blank is equal to the size of die and size of the hole is equal to the size of punch. According to the punch size of die is 2c and size of hole. In their word, die size is size of blank and size of hole size is plus 2c. And shear angle to be provided on die and punching is punch. So what are the comparison between base according to the basic characters? पहला आता है purpose में blanking की बात करते हैं तो जिसमें cutting out intermediate shape जिसको ब्लैंक बोल रहे हैं, कार्ड ब्लैंक, जो कि आगे फर्दर प्रोसेस होता है, जबकि पंचिंग में टू कट आउट अनवांटेड पोर्शन फ्रॉम द शीट से अलग कर देते हैं। सेकेंड, स्क्रैप की बात करते हैं तो इसमें जो शीट है वो रिमेनिंग आफ्टर द ब्लैंक इज कट आउट, और पंचिंग में कट आउट स्लैग। साइज की बात करते हैं तो इसमें साइज ऑफ ब्लैंक जो है वो इक्वल है साइज ऑफ डाई के, और साइज ऑफ होल जो है वो इक्वल है साइज ऑफ पंच के। पंच साइज की बात करते हैं तो साइज ऑफ डाई जो है वो 2C है और साइज ऑफ होल के बराबर है इसमें पंचिंग में। एंड डाई साइज में साइज ऑफ ब्लैंक, पंचिंग में साइज ऑफ होल साइज प्लस 2C। shear angle to be provided on die and there were punch.